Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Oppo K13 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, PIN or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the power and volume down button for few seconds. Press and hold it. And now release. So you can see now here, select language, volume keys to move up and down, and power button to confirm. So here select language, and you can see it will send you in recovery, format data, reboot device, and power off is available. Simply confirm the format data, and you can see please enter verification code 1878. Enter it 1878, and you can see on bottom format data, all user data will be reset. Now simply tap on format, and you can see data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device. And after hard reset, when it again asks for password, PIN, or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Oppo K13 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.